In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Excel desktop app. We're going to turn the Excel website into a desktop-style app that opens in its own window, without the usual browser tabs and address bar. This is a quick, lightweight way to get an app-like experience, especially if you prefer launching Excel directly from your desktop or Start menu. Start by searching for Microsoft Excel. You can do this right from your browser's address bar or your preferred search engine. The goal is to land on the official Microsoft Excel page, so look for the result from Microsoft's site. When you're on the Excel page and it's fully loaded, you're in the right place for the next step. Now, look to the very top right corner of your browser window and click the three-dot menu. This is the main menu for your browser, and it's typically three vertical dots near your profile icon or extension area. If your window is narrow, some items might be tucked away, so expanding the browser window can make the option easier to see. With the menu open, hover over the section labeled Cast, Save, and Share. In many modern browsers, this groups tools that help you share or save pages in different ways. If your browser layout has changed after an update, you might see a slightly different label, but it will be in the same general area of the menu. From there, select Install Page as App. This tells your browser to create an app-like version of the Excel page. Behind the scenes, it creates a standalone window and an app entry, so you can open Excel directly without navigating through your browser. Depending on your browser, you may briefly see a small confirmation dialog. That's normal and part of the setup. Once the installation completes, the new Excel app will appear like any other application you use. You'll typically find it in your Start menu or Application Launcher, and you can pin it to your taskbar or dock for quick access. When you open it, it will look and feel like a dedicated app, keeping your work focused and separate from your regular browsing. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. If you don't see the Install Page as App option, make sure you're on the official Excel page and that your browser is up to date. This feature is available in most modern Chromium-based browsers, and the wording can vary slightly. Also, note that this method creates a streamlined app experience using the web version of Excel. It's a great option when you want speed and convenience. And that's it. You searched for Microsoft Excel, opened the three-dot menu, hovered over Cast, Save, and Share, and clicked Install Page as App. Enjoy your new Excel desktop experience.